Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we have a 2026 Model X that has come to us for a complete transformation. Take a look at this TLargo-R carbon fiber wide body program that we have exclusively for the Model X. It completely transforms the overall appearance. It takes it from mild to extremely wild, and I absolutely love it. So this brand new Model X came to us in the new diamond black color that Tesla offers. The days of a gloss black finish on a Model X, or actually even an S, is long gone. Tesla has replaced it with diamond black, and diamond black has a lot of metallic in it, kind of like something they used to do many years ago called obsidian black. Diamond black is fresh and new, but this customer actually wanted us to go ahead and install T-Max satin clear PPF film on the complete painted exterior panels, taking it from diamond black to a satin diamond black. And it's really cool because, as you could see when you get right up on it, all that metallic flake and what makes diamond black so special, you could still appreciate it even though we've applied the T-Max satin clear PPF film. Now this film is going to go ahead and protect all these panels from road rash and rock chips and minor door dings and provide for a much easier cleanup. And the best part is you never need to wax it. But now let's get back into what this video is all about. Check out the gloss carbon fiber TLargo-R body kit, starting off with the lower front apron, which accentuates the front end, starting that very sporty look. And then as you could see, it continues up the front fenders. You have these beautiful wide carbon fiber wheel arches down the side skirts, up onto the rear falcon wing door, connecting to the rear quarter panel, and my favorite, the rear diffuser, finished off with this really cool carbon fiber rear wing spoiler. Now, let's talk about the wheels. Part of the TLargo-R program are these beautiful, very concave 22 spoke wheels with 22-inch tires. It's the same tire size that Tesla recommends we use. We do offer it with a variety of different brands to choose from. This customer chose the Michelin tires. It's a great tire, but the wheels are absolutely stunning, finished in gloss black. As you can see, we've got our floating T-Sportline center caps in there, which are really cool, and it covers up all the mounting hardware and gives you this floating look. The customer also chose our gloss carbon fiber side mirror caps, front fender camera covers, and the V-line trim right here, which is normally black. He wanted that to be carbon fiber as well. And that makes a lot of sense because it flows with the T-Largo body kit and really kind of just finishes off this complete exterior transformation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy all of our video content, subscribe to our channel. I have so many more coming your way soon.